Ever wondered which passive income courses online are worth your time and money, and which are simply hype? With so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in the promises of financial freedom and automated income streams. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online passive income courses to separate the genuinely beneficial from the overly hyped. Stay tuned to discover 3 top-rated courses that real students swear by, along with insights into how they work based on their experiences. When exploring the realm of passive income courses, it's crucial to acknowledge that not all courses are created equal. Many promise quick riches and effortless income, but fail to deliver substantial results. Some courses focus more on marketing gimmicks than on providing valuable, actionable content. It's essential to look beyond the flashy advertisements and dig into the experiences of actual students who have successfully utilized these courses to create passive income streams. Not everything is as straightforward as it seems, and that's what we're here to uncover. One standout course is the Fundamentals of Investing on Coursera. This course, part of the Fundamentals of Personal Finance Specialization, is designed for beginners. It covers essential investment principles such as diversification, risk management, and the impact of fees and taxes. What makes this course exceptional is its practical approach to teaching investment strategies that can generate passive income over time. Students appreciate the clear, concise instruction and the real-world applicability of the lessons. With a strong foundation in investment basics, many have found themselves better equipped to make informed financial decisions and build sustainable income streams. Imagine gaining the confidence to navigate the complex world of investments just by dedicating a few hours to this course. This transformative experience is not just a possibility, but a reality for many who have enrolled. For instance, one student shared how they went from knowing virtually nothing about stocks and bonds to confidently managing a diversified portfolio. The course's focus on balancing risk and return helped them tailor their investment strategy to their risk tolerance, which is crucial for maintaining peace of mind while investing. Another aspect that students love is the emphasis on understanding taxes and fees, often overlooked by beginners but vital for maximizing returns. Next up is the Fixed Income Portfolio Management course by the New York Institute of Finance, NYF, on edX. This course is particularly beneficial for those looking to delve into fixed income investments. It's comprehensive, covering both passive and active portfolio management strategies. Students have praised the course for its in-depth content and the expertise of its instructors. The real-world applications and the networking opportunities provided have been highlighted as significant advantages, helping learners not only understand fixed income instruments, but also connect with industry professionals. Imagine being able to apply these strategies to your own financial portfolio and seeing consistent results. One of the course's strengths is its ability to break down complex concepts into understandable segments, making it accessible even for those who might be intimidated by financial jargon. A learner from this course mentioned how the knowledge gained enabled them to manage their company's investment portfolio more efficiently, achieving better returns than before. The networking opportunities mentioned are not just a bonus, but a crucial element in the finance world, opening doors to mentorship and collaboration that can propel your career forward. The credibility of NYF as an institution also adds weight to your resume, signaling to employers or clients that you have undergone rigorous training in fixed income management. Another highly recommended course is Passive Income Powerhouse. Learn to set yourself up for life on Udemy. This course takes a broad approach, teaching various methods to create passive income, including real estate, online businesses, and dividend investing. Students have found this course invaluable due to its practical tips and comprehensive coverage of different passive income avenues. The course instructor's step-by-step guidance helps beginners avoid common pitfalls and build profitable income streams efficiently. One of the students shared how they used the insights from the course to start a small e-commerce business that now runs almost on autopilot, providing a steady stream of income with minimal effort. This course's value lies in its ability to cater to different learning styles, offering video lessons, interactive quizzes, and practical assignments that reinforce the material. The sense of community among learners also enhances the experience, as you can share ideas and troubleshoot problems together. Imagine applying the techniques taught and seeing your side hustle grow into a significant income source, giving you the financial freedom to pursue your passions. The detailed case studies and real-world examples included in the course make it easier to envision how you can adapt these strategies to your unique situation. By following the instructor's advice on choosing the right income streams and managing them effectively, you can set yourself up for long-term success. By choosing courses with proven track records and positive student testimonials, you can avoid the hype and focus on building real, sustainable income streams. These courses offer more than just theoretical knowledge. They provide practical tools and insights that you can apply immediately to start creating passive income. Imagine leveraging these tools to create a diversified portfolio, automate an online business, or strategically invest in real estate, all while learning from experts who have successfully walked this path. For example, the Fundamentals of Investing course equips you with the skills to understand and manage various investment vehicles, enhancing your ability to generate consistent returns. The Fixed Income Portfolio Management course delves into strategies that optimize your investment portfolio, ensuring you're prepared to navigate the complexities of fixed income instruments. The Passive Income Powerhouse course on Udemy covers multiple income streams and provides real-life case studies to illustrate how these strategies work in practice. These examples help you visualize and implement similar tactics in your financial journey. By applying the knowledge gained, whether it's setting up an online business, investing in real estate, or managing a diverse portfolio, you can take practical steps toward financial freedom. The right course can indeed be a game changer, turning aspirations into achievable goals and setting you on a path to true financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on building passive income, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.